Why did the Kakapo bring a map to the party?
Because it's always lost in conversation.
The parrot that doesn't fly and prowls the earth at night, tipping the scales at a whopping 4 kilograms. Yes, you heard that right. Meet the Kakapo, the world's heaviest parrot, a bird unlike other, a true enigma of the avian world, comfortably nestled in the verdant forests of New Zealand. Now that's what you call feathered heavyweight. This remarkable bird bears a striking resemblance to an owl with its moss-green feathers and large, round eyes. But make no mistake, it's a parrot, albeit a highly unusual one. It's the world's heaviest parrot, and yes, you heard it right. It cannot fly. Instead, it navigates the forest floor, using its wings for balance and support. The Kakapo leads a solitary life, coming out at night to forage for a meal. This bird is predominantly herbivorous, feasting on leaves, roots, seeds, and fruits of native plants. However, it wouldn't say no to a tasty insect or two. But the life of a Kakapo is not a walk in the park. They face an uphill battle for survival. Their homes, the once sprawling forests of New Zealand, have significantly shrunk due to human activities. Introduced predators such as cats and rats pose a constant threat, and diseases are an unwelcome visitor. Today, this charismatic parrot teeters on the brink of extinction with fewer than 200 individuals left in the wild. Yet there is a glimmer of hope. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect and preserve this unique species. Through predator control, habitat restoration, and supportive breeding programs, they are striving to increase the Kakapo's population and ensure its survival. In summary, the Kakapo is a creature of many paradoxes. It's a parrot that doesn't fly, a bird that prefers the nightlife, and despite being endangered, it embodies resilience and survival against the odds. This remarkable bird is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the diversity of life on our planet. The story of the Kakapo is a stirring reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve our world's biodiversity. It's a call to action, a plea to each one of us to respect, cherish, and safeguard the natural world. So, the next time you think about parrots, remember the Kakapo, the enigmatic bird from New Zealand, and its fight for survival.
Another one.